Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Santiago Cartamil, and I'm the managing director of Scale Nanotech, a company that develops very cool technologies based on graphene material, among which we have the G mirrors or graphene mirrors that we want to use for optical components in the new space era. And this image you may have seen before. Probably you know that each of these dots represent satellite or space debris chunk that pose a threat to the new space economy. But what maybe you don't know is that you miss about more than 100 million micro objects that are not in this image that cannot be traced. These dots, they are the ones that we know where they are, but the ones that are small, we don't know where they are. And the problem is that these micro-objects, they are moving at hypervelocity. We don't know where they are, and when they crash your optical system, they cause great damage. So we believe that nanotechnology can help us with this extreme problem, but we need to change our mindset a bit. We should stop thinking about bulky 3D optical components, but rather 2D, something that is flexible, flat films that could be, well, portable, cheap, strong, and surely that when a micro-object penetrates them, do not generate more micro-objects. And logically, they should do just what they should do. In the case of mirrors, reflecting, nothing else. And well, for this extreme case of mirrors, we have an extreme materials that is graphene. The thinnest, strongest, and thinnest material ever, with an optical or atomically flat surface that when you deposit a reflective coating becomes an extreme mirror. And it gives us also the promise of making huge of this type of films. So we have already this technology that is based on metasurfaces loaded with nanotechnology and give us films with very low mass, very strong, and again with promise of making them really big, ultimately giving us the lowest cost per launched area. And these films are backed by ESA. We have the IP protected and available prototypes that we are intending to increase in size by next year, to be followed by production here in Europe when we receive enough investment. And with this is a very challenging task, and I wanted to invite you to join us in our motto of going big or staying home, because otherwise we'll not make it. Thank you very much.